As an output of this colloquium, we should come out with something like a statement of concerns which all of us can own up to, a statement addressed to policymakers, a statement addressed to governments, statement addressed to civil society, and linking up with the larger global water community.
We called this from your ideas, of course, our ideas that came out of the workshop groups. First of all, that water is part of the global commons and whose nurturance remains a responsibility of humankind for the survival of the planet and as a guarantee of the fundamental right of life in the present and for the future. And that this responsibility calls for democratic, sustainable, inclusive, community stewardship of water as a gift of nature. States, meaning governments as duty bearers, must work for the protection and fulfillment of the right to water and promote and support community stewardship. We affirm the ethical basis of water as the right of all life, and we reject the mainstream dogma of the market as the arbiter of value. We affirm that we firmly reject all state and market initiatives to enclose the commons to the exclusion of the disadvantaged, marginalized, and underprivileged. And as we build alternatives, we continue to seek remedial justice for destruction of water resources by both state and private entities. And among the principles, we put there that the nurturance of water is rooted in the respect for living cultures, values, and ethical traditions that sustain the global water commons. The guarantee of water must be ensured also by state investments and as a fundamental rejection of exploitative principles in the name of revenue generation, financial viability, and willingness to pay. And we, of course, affirm the right of communities to technologies that are accessible, affordable, sustainable, self-manageable, and gender just. And finally, the responsibility of state shall be to promote, support, and sustain improvement initiatives through partnerships between its agencies and communities.